The day of the graduation, the lady have this nice dress where she had planned to wear. Put on the dress and her son look on her and say, Mama, you can't wear that. Cover your foot, man. Then she start realize, say, her own son, shame her. What for him there? She want give him wish. Say, she not go. Everybody go, except she as a mother.
Sometimes she prays to die, to the way she feels empty inside. She had dreams, but they slowly vanished. At this rate, it seems she's being punished.
My followers, you see, sometimes you see the word where you spit out of your mouth, can't take it back. Cause damage already. I'm gonna tell you an incident that happened between a female passenger of mine and her son. Alright? So this female passenger, over the years growing up, she go to school like everybody else, but her mother couldn't afford giving her the books, giving her the textbook, so when she there at school, look out at the kids them book. While she look out at the kids them book, if them decide say them done, them lock them book on her. She can't finish. Sometimes the teacher come now and beat her because she not finish her work. So she grew up with a mindset of remembering how she grew up, and she starts say when she have her kids them, she gonna make sure say them have what she never have. So she get big, graduate and everything, and start have her kids. She have a daughter and a son, but the son is the biggest one. So over the years, I've sending him to school, giving him lunch money. She says sometimes him come home with homework, and while she help him with the homework, she have do other things. She have to wash, cook, clean, because we don't know say a child cannot raise himself and he can't go work and put on pampers and put on clothes on himself. So we as a parents, that's our job, that's her job. The girl decides say she not buy nothing for herself. The girl not buy no clothes than what she have. She not buy slippers, she not buy shoes. All she buy is Crocs, and she have Crocs in every different color. Because what? She spend her money on her son mostly. Son get big now and I about to graduate. See, when she the younger, she did involved in an accident and she have an issue with her foot. So she kind of walk and limp. But over the years, she follow him go to school, she follow him go parents teacher meeting, she go everything, and it's not a problem. So the day I'm graduation now, as a mother, you say yes, your son will graduate, at the happiest day for you because him left school with him subjects better off than where you the better off as in parents. Because all of we we want our kids better than we. We don't want bad for them. The day of the graduation, the lady have this nice dress where she had planned to wear. Put on the dress and her son look on her and say, Mama, you can't wear that. Cover your foot, man. Then she start realize say her own son shame her. And she never know that because she walk funny. Him no want fee friend them. She say something wrong with her foot. She want fee him there. She want give him wish because she don't want go to school and shame him. So she decides say she not go. Everybody go except she as a mother, and as she did for him straight. After the graduation, her brother call her and I cuss her. And I say, oh, you never go at your son graduation. How that? The son now call her and I say, Mama, me sorry, me say that you should have come because me see say everybody else parents there and me I look for you and never see you. So you should have come same way. But him not realize say where him say out of female to her, it affect her so much because she realize say her son shame her. When him should be proud of her because she was there for him straight, nobody else. But at the end of the day, him feel like she I go shame him. So she never go. So I'm telling you, you see my followers, you see kids, we have them, I will get them, we can grow them, but them don't know. We don't know what them will come out to be. We don't know where them are going to set away. So I'm telling you, we just need to know say our kids them, I will love them, but We need to let them go. Let them go. If them come back, them come back. If them not, we need to have something for ourselves. Because we can grow our kids them, but we don't know where them all come out to be. And we don't know if them are going to remember the things them where you do as a parents. Then we don't know. So we have to just live right and keep in so clean, because parents must know say when them here say we look after our kids them, as long as the heart clean and what you do is the right thing, yeah man. So do remember, like it, leave a comment, tell me what you think, if you think the son should have said that towards his mother.
To die, to the way she feels empty inside. She had dreams, but they slowly vanished. At this rate, it seems she's being punished for what exactly she doesn't know. As it seems she's reaping fruits from bad seeds that she didn't even know she sowed. She sits lost and confused.